7 Surprising health benefits of papaya seeds. While most people throw them away, papaya seeds are not only edible, small amounts of them in your diet can be surprisingly good for you. Keep in mind though that chewing half a teaspoon of the seeds is not like eating papaya fruit. They have a strong flavor, more like a cross between mustard and black peppercorns. If you can handle that, ahead are 7 powerful papaya seed benefits, potential precautions you need to know, and recommended ways to add them to your diet for disease prevention and better health. 1. Papaya seeds for worms and other parasitic infections. Like green papaya, the seeds of papaya fruit contain high levels of the proteolytic enzyme papain, which can help rid your body of parasites such as intestinal worms. In the same way that papain breaks down undigested protein waste from your food, it can also dissolve the protective biofilm and fibrin that covers parasites, and particularly their eggs, on the walls of your lower intestine. Good levels of digestive enzymes in your diet also help to improve and normalize your intestinal ecology, making it much less hospitable to worms and other parasites and much harder for them to breed. Enzyme-rich green papaya powder or capsules, like this one I take each day, are a simple alternative if you don't have the fresh green fruit or seeds available. They also give you a consistent and measurable dose. 2. Papaya seed treatment for liver cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis is a disease, usually caused by excessive alcohol consumption over many years, wherein the liver shrinks and becomes hardened. In this state it is ineffective at removing toxins from the body, leading to a variety of serious health problems. Papaya seeds are often reported as an effective natural treatment for liver cirrhosis and overall detoxification of the liver. The recommended method is to grind up around 10 dried seeds in a pepper grinder, or crush up fresh ones in a mortar and pestle, and mix them with a tablespoon of squeezed lemon or lime juice in a glass of water. 3. Fighting bacterial infections and treating food poisoning. Another potential use of papaya seeds is to combat bacterial infections and possibly even treat food poisoning caused by bad bacteria. The seeds of papaya have a strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effect on your digestive system. Studies have shown an extract made from papaya seeds is effective at killing E. coli, salmonella, staph, and other dangerous bacteria. As a natural remedy for food poisoning, papaya seeds should be taken at the first sign of sickness, and continued 3 times a day with each main meal until symptoms subside. While people suffering from food poisoning often don't feel like eating, it's best to take the freshly crushed up seeds with a small amount of food. Something simple to digest like papaya fruit would be ideal. 4. Combating candida yeast overgrowth. The potent digestive enzymes in papaya seeds help change your intestinal ecology to one that is more favorable to the good bacteria, and less so to the bad ones that can cause so many digestive problems. In this way, papaya seeds can also be a helpful aid in the treatment of candida yeast overgrowth, a common yet often undiagnosed health issue with serious consequences. Candida thrives when your digestive system is out of balance, and left untreated it can cause chronic fatigue, lowered immunity, intestinal inflammation, and a myriad of disorders throughout your body. 5. Treating viral infections. There are even reports of using papaya seeds to successfully treating viral infections such as dengue fever in parts of Central America and Asia. Obviously this is a serious disease, so consult a doctor if you contract dengue to monitor your condition. Papaya leaf juice is actually an even better natural treatment for dengue fever, as detailed here, including my personal experience with using it, how to make it, and dosage instructions. 6. Protecting your kidneys. Oxidative stress is a common culprit in chronic kidney disease, particularly in patients with diabetes. and can lead to renal failure wherein your kidneys can no longer properly filter metabolic waste from your blood. This study found an extract of carica papaya seeds had nephroprotective, kidney protecting, effects against oxidative stress. Though being an animal study, there isn't as much evidence here as for the other papaya seeds' health benefits. Parsley juice would be an even better natural treatment for detoxifying your kidneys, and it's highly beneficial for your liver as well. 7. Better digestion with papaya seeds. Many people eat large amounts of difficult to digest meat and other high-protein foods. Poorly broken down protein can putrefy in your colon, creating toxic compounds, encouraging bad bacteria overgrowth and really smelly gas. Proteolytic enzymes, like papain found in papaya seeds, are some of the most powerful natural substances for breaking down undigested protein in your digestive tract. Eating a small amount of papaya seeds with a meal containing a lot of meat is a simple way to improve protein digestion and prevent problems like constipation and bad gas later on. And, as mentioned in the sections on papaya seed benefits for bacterial infections, candida overgrowth, and killing parasites, both papain and the alkaloid carpain have a positive effect on your overall intestinal ecology, a vital component of good health and disease prevention.